Today we have a Maytag dryer that heats up but does not spin. So probably a broken belt. You hear the motor going. It turns really easily, like there's no resistance. So we're going to be replacing the belt. We're going to unplug it first. It's just going to take a few minutes. Pretty easy on this model. And then we're going to use a paint scraper. You could use a standard head screwdriver also to push in on this clip on the right, and there's a clip on the left. They're about 3 inches in from the outside, and that's going to allow us to lift up this whole top panel, just hinges, and then we can get to 2 little bolts or 2 little screws that are holding the front panel on here at the top, one on the right and one on the left, and they're really easy just to unzip them. One there and one there. Get that on the right off and left, and then we can grab the front panel and lift up and pull toward us. It'll come right off. Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification, so every time we make a new video we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be great. Thank you. I don't really have to worry about removing the wires for the door switch, because we can just put the door off to the, the whole front panel off to the side. There's the new belt. I'll put a link in the description below. 341241. And we're going to be putting the rib side down. Here's the old belt. So we got to remove this bracket just so we can get our hand in there to do the belt install. And it just comes out of a little tab there. Should be able to reach in now on both sides, I think. Alright, so we got our belt stretched out. This model we have the rib side down. Slip that around the drum, and lift up on the drum a little bit so we can get it back into the right position. Tight squeeze. There we go. Alright, so we're going to reach in on the right side here and left side here. Still got to get this belt over. This is a cam surface. I have to lift up a little bit. So I'm lining it up over the, you can kind of see the old mark right there. Reach in with this one. In with this one. You can feel the idler wheel. Over the idler wheel. Push the idler wheel to my right, get it over the motor pulley. Alright. Now it's over the motor pulley, and I'll just rotate it a few times to make sure the belt won't slip off. You can see the fan moving, so you know that the belt is connected. Lining it up better. All right, so it stays on really good. So we're going to go ahead and add this brace back. All right. We're going to line up on the front panel this hole with these indexing pins on either side. Let's get any junk out of here. All right, so we can go ahead and put this back. And line up those little pins. That one's in. That one's in. Close this one. Lock it in. Alright, model number on this one is HYG3658AWW. Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.